Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us, and as we all know that Euro dollar showed extreme bullishness on Friday right after NFP non-farm payroll. US stocks end lower after mixed jobs report. Dollar drops as US June payrolls rose less than expected. You can see here Friday's weaker than expected US June non-farm payrolls report weighed on the dollar. US June non-farm payrolls rose 209k, weaker than expectation of 230k, and the smallest increase in 2.5 years. As a result, we saw extreme selling pressure on DXY. Previously, DXY was trading in a range. Market broke the range. Selling pressure was extremely high, and ultimately DXY settled at close at 102.26. The market opening will be very important for DXY, just to understand whether DXY will be trying to recover from this big fall or the selling pressure will continue. Overall, things are not very positive for dollar right now. If the selling pressure continues on Monday right after the market opening, 102 will be the next support on DXY. 102 to 101.90. This will be the next support on DXY, and DXY will give its best fight to protect this level, because if DXY falls below 102 or 101.90, then obviously things will be very critical for DXY. Let's wait and watch how DXY performs on Monday right after the market opening. In case it shows few green candles, also do not consider it as a trend reversal, okay, because it will be just a correction or a pullback. Okay, let's wait and watch. Now let's talk about Euro USD. So yesterday we discussed about the descending triangle pattern on the chart of Euro USD, and I told you guys that it's a bearish pattern, but descending triangle pattern is more powerful in a downtrend market. We also discussed about the overall uptrend market, so we were a little bit skeptical because in uptrend market we were seeing a descending triangle pattern, and in descending triangle pattern we usually see market breaking the support and going down. And if you remember, I also showed you that on the weekly chart we have a head and shoulder formation going on, so we were expecting the market to go down. And this is the power of news. This is the main reason I always tell you guys that do not mess with news. This is the main reason I tell you guys that beginners, new traders, okay, traders with low capital, you should be closing down your positions before the news, because whenever fundamentals dominate the market, technicals usually fail, and that is a bitter reality, and we'll have to accept it. And you can see that the descending triangle pattern, okay, failed miserably, okay, because news came up, and right now we can see a different market, and the descending triangle pattern is no longer valid. This is chart prime, and as we can see that on the 1 hour time frame, the signals generated by the tool have done a pretty decent job. As we all know that 100% accuracy is not possible for any tool or any human, so accuracy of 75 to 80 is pretty decent. In fact, with proper risk management, an accuracy of 60% is also more than enough. But here chart prime is doing a fantastic job, and you can see that most of the signals have done a very good job. On 1 hour time frame, you can easily make a profit of 30 to 40 pips. On higher time frames, obviously you can expect higher number of pips. So these are the buy and sell signals generated by the Market Oracle Pro indicator from the chart prime. The Market Oracle Pro not only gives us buy and sell signals, but it also gives us tells us the dynamic support and resistances in the market. If you are using moving averages, then you can use the lines here, Market Oracle Pro here, to find out the dynamic support resistance in the market. Apart from the Market Oracle Pro, they also have Prime Oscillator Pro. It's an oscillator just like RSI, but yes, much more advanced than RSI, because the oscillator not only tells us about the overbought and oversold levels, but the oscillator also gives us buy and sell signals. The green arrows at the bottoms tells us about the buy signal. The red arrows at the top tells us about the sell signals. And yes, it also marks the divergences for you to save your time and energy. And yes, overbought oversold level is obviously there. So if you are looking for signals, then yes, chart prime will be extremely useful. And if you're not looking for signals, but you simply want to take your trading analysis to the next level, then also chart prime will be extremely useful for you, because it will help to save your time and energy. Because apart from these two indicators, okay, Market Oracle Pro and Prime Oscillator Pro, they also have Market Dynamics Pro. So if you are someone who prefers to trade on smart money concept or chart pattern detection, then yes, Market Dynamics Pro will be very useful. They also have a very active community on Discord. You can also join the community on Discord. The link is in the description. Right now, Chart Prime is giving a 30% off. So if you really want to elevate your game, you can scan the QR code on the screen. You can click on the I button on the screen, or you can also check out the link in the description. So if you're really serious about your trading with some extremely advanced tools, then yes, Chart Prime can be the solution. Feel free to check them out. So what do we have on the chart of EURUSD right now? We can see that market was extremely bullish and market closed at 1.096 during the last trading hours. And we can see a clear bullish flag on the chart here. Bullish flag or bull flag is a trend continuation pattern. After a sharp move, whenever market goes for consolidation, okay, it means that market is taking risk. And usually we get to see trend continuing. So what should be our trading strategy on EURUSD then? So right after the market opening, if you see that EU is bullish again, market is breaking the flag. You can also draw a flag like this with the lines. If you see that EURUSD is going above 1.0975, you can consider it as a trend continuation and you can go for a buy. But yes, you need to be a little bit careful with your risk management, because you need to understand the volatility also. During the first half of Monday, especially during the Asian session and European session, we don't get to see much volatility and volume in the market. If market remains very slow, if market behaves like a typical Monday market, then there may be some scary moves. Okay, then the trend may not continue. As a result, you need to be following strict risk management. Otherwise, this is a beautiful clear bull flag, and under normal circumstances, usually we get to see a good breakout. Okay, so if market breaks 1.0975, you can go for a buy position on Monday. And as long as, okay, let me draw a flag for you so that you can understand better. And keep in mind, as long as market is trading inside the flag here, you don't need to trade, because market will be still under consolidation. And during a flag pattern, okay, just keep in mind, as long as market is trading inside the flag, this is your no trading zone. What is this? This is your no trading zone. Okay, so just wait for the market to break. Once you'll see the market is out of the flag, market is going up, you can consider that, okay, bulls are back again, and you can click on the buy button. Clear? So this is the first trading opportunity, and the second level that we need to focus on the chart is 1.1000 to 1.1010. This is the next immediate resistance on the chart of EURUSD, and I think that market will face some selling pressure around this area. If market breaks this level here also, then this will be the next resistance. Those who have taken a sell position on the chart of EURUSD and you don't want to come out right now, this is the resistance on the chart, 1.1000 to 1.1010. Because of previous price rejection around this area, because when the market was in extreme upside, this was the level, listen to me carefully, this was the level from where the trend of the market weakened. So obviously strong sellers are present. 1.1000 is a round number, so this is also another factor. And lastly, if I draw a FIBO here, then I can see that we have FIBO 0.786 around this area. Previous support will be acting as a reason. So there will be lot of resistance around 1.1000, and market requires a big news to break this level here. So in case the upside continues also, if market breaks also the bullish flag here, then obviously you should be closing down your trade, or you should be exiting from your buy position around the flag here, because the market will face some selling pressure because of all the reasons I just mentioned. So these are the two trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD. I'm coming on Monday again. So in case something bad happens, in case something unexpected happens, then obviously we will be discussing about that on Monday. But as of now, these are the only two trading opportunities on the chart of Euro dollar right now. As I always say, my dear friends, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. If you already have taken a bad position, you are stuck right now, protect your capital. Capital protection should be your first priority always. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So yes, always do your own research and analysis. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, have fun, enjoy with your friends and family.